Once upon a time, in a cozy little bakery on the edge of town, lived a cheerful gingerbread cookie named Ginger. He had gumdrop buttons, a sugary smile, and frosting cuffs that curled just right. Ginger lived on a tray with other cookies, stars, snowmen, and candy canes. Every morning, they whispered excitedly about who would be chosen next to go home in someone's treat box. But Ginger wasn't thinking about getting picked. He was too busy helping the others. "Careful, Snowy," he'd say to the shy snowman cookie. "You don't want to slide off the tray again." Or, "Don't worry, Candy Cane. I'll stand in front of the breeze so you don't melt." The other cookies liked Ginger, but some didn't understand why he always helped everyone else first. "You'll never be chosen if you keep standing in the back," said a shiny sugar star one day. But Ginger just smiled. "I'd rather help a friend shine than be picked first." One afternoon, the baker's daughter accidentally dropped the tray. Cookies tumbled everywhere. "Oh no," she cried. Some cookies cracked, some lost sprinkles. Snowy the snowman was stuck under a muffin tin, calling for help. Without thinking, Ginger dashed across the counter, dodging crumbs and sprinkles, and lifted just enough of the tin for Snowy to wriggle free. "You saved me," Snowy said, his icing eyes wide. The baker's daughter picked up the cookies one by one. When she saw Ginger, now a little crumbled at the edge, she paused. "This one's special," she whispered. Instead of putting him in a box, she placed him in a tiny frame in the bakery window, with a sign that read, "Ginger the Brave, a cookie with a big heart." From that day on, Ginger wasn't just a treat to eat. He was a reminder to everyone who visited the bakery that kindness, courage, and putting others first are the sweetest ingredients of all.